The problem statement for seventh assignment is we have to create a stored procedure, namely proc grade, for the categorization of customers. If the purchase by a customer in year is less than equal to 20,000 and greater than equal to 10,000, then the customer will be placed in platinum category. If the purchase by the customer is between 9,999 and 5,000, the category will be gold. And if the purchase price is between 4,999 and 2,000, then the customer will be placed in silver category. So to implement this problem statement, I have created a procedure called proc1. In this procedure, the input taken is integer as purchase, and it is returning a value category. So, if the purchase is greater than equal to 10,000 and the purchase is less than equal to 20,000, then the category will be set to platinum. If it is between 9,999 and 5,000, then the category will be set to gold. If the purchase is between 4,999 and 2,000, then the category will be set to silver. If it doesn't fall in any of these categories, then we will be placing it in regular category. So the category will be set to regular. Now our procedure ends here. So to call this procedure, I will be creating a function. So in this function, I'll be passing integer id which will return a deterministic value varchar. The category value will be returned. So I've declared a CNAME and T purchase and category. Now I have selected the total purchase name, these two values into T purchase variable and CNAME variable from the customer table, customer one table, where the cust id should be the id which I'll be passing through the function. So when the values are fetched in a T purchase and CNAME, I'll be calling the procedure by call procedure command, and I'll be passing the purchase amount and category. So after I call this procedure, it will be returning me the category as per the amount which is being passed. So when these values are returned by the procedure, then I'll be inserting this values into category table. Now the this will be implemented by insert command. So insert will be inserting id, name, and the category of the customer. So after writing the function, I've called these function by the select function command. I have passed id 1, 2, 3, and 4. So after I've called the function, the procedure has returned platinum, gold, silver, and regular. This is so because in the customer table for ID1, the total purchase is 15,000, which falls in platinum category. Now for the second customer, total purchase is 7,000, which falls in silver category. In third, the total purchase is 3,000, which falls in uh, silver category. And for fourth, it does not fall in any of the categories, so it will be placed in regular category. Now this is the output of the after the values have been inserted into the table. So we can say that we have accomplished and achieved the objective of our assignment. Number 7. Thank you.